count the blinks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do it again, just confirm. 1, 2, 3. So we have a 3 light code. Come up here. 3 flashes. Roll out, switch open, or pressure switch open with combustion inducer on, or pressure switch closed with CAI off. That's 3 flashes with a 1-second pulsing period. So anyway, there we go. So it's either the inducer or the rollout. I got it. Inducer motor is hot. So it's been trying to run, so I pulled it off, and oh! I hope they charge them rent. Now we got a heartbeat.